What are the guesses? How much snow do you think we have?
I am going to guess 14 inches.
14 inches? 13 inches? No guess?
How many inches?
20 inches.
20 inches? Alright.
Do you have a guess, Miss Independent?
Alright.
Ah, baby bear got it right. Oh, look, it's...
Hold on, Cole. Hey kids! Okay, so with the big blizzard of 2021, we got 24 inches of snow, which for up here isn't that much. We got some vehicles over there somewhere under all that snow. And we've got to dig out, and with this much snow, got to do it a little bit at a time so we don't kill ourselves, since we don't have any mechanical means of doing it. So we're gonna get started with a little bit this morning. So with snows like this, first priority is to get access to necessities. So first path we dug, we now have access to the garbage cans and the recycling cans, so we can at least get them outside the house if we need to. Next will be a path out to the chickens so that we can check on them. Alright, so we've got a path shoveled to the chickens, and I'm glad we did, because they had 2 eggs waiting for us and we don't want those to freeze and burst. So you can see our neighbor's out moving his snow as well. Luckily he's got a bulldozer, so he can move quite a bit at a time, unlike us who we've got to shovel it all by hand. So unfortunately it's a work day for me, so I've got to go into a meeting for a couple hours. The rest of the family's going to come out and shovel for a little bit, I think, and we'll see what we can get done. Hopefully, if our neighbor has enough time, he'll be able to plow the main road for us. All right, 24 inches of snow doesn't stop our responsibility of keeping our animals cared for, so we got to bring down a bale of hay to the goats. Gotta stay on there, sweetie.
Don't stand on our run. Okay, you can't come near me. I've got the camera.
I'm not even going to move now. No.
Alright, so the blizzard is over. We ended up getting, in the month of March, about half of our total snowfall for the whole year. We got over 4 feet of snow just in March. This winter's been pretty dry, so we were very happy to get the snow. And the snow's not all bad. We've got the sledding and the snowball fight, which you saw. In addition, we get the water for our garden from this snowfall, and so we needed the snow. We're very happy to get it, and eventually... Alright, and as you can see, the snow eventually melts. It's supposed to get over 60 degrees today, which is good, and so spring is starting to get in the air, and pretty soon we're going to show you a video of the preparations that we've been making to get ready for the next season. So with that, this is Lumberjack for Bearly Homesteading, saying use it up, wear it out, make it do, or do without. Bye. We'll see you soon.